So welcome guys. If you are new and you've not subscribed, actually please subscribe before you go. Now you can see our USD JPY starting with our daily time frame full time trend and uptrend. It's an uptrend move, and we can see that our price came here to tap this level here, which bounced up, and it's come here and it's giving us a bounce up again. This level has once served as our resistance level here, where our price came in and fell. It also came in and fell. Now we can see our euro USD JPY. It is starting to give us that bullish move. We will very much likely to continue to go bullish. Reason is that we can see a bullish move upward. We can see a retracement here. We saw another bullish move upward, right? Another bullish move upward, and we can get this pullback area here. What are we waiting for again? A bullish move against our USDJPY. So very much likely we will see a bullish move on our USDJPY. Could it be much move? Could it be volatile? I think so, but let's see how it plays out. I believe there would be much movement on our USDJPY. Now see it on our 4-hour time frame, an uptrend move. You can see the pullback here. We can see the breakout at this level, and we saw the pullback again to test this level where our price broke out from, right? And we are starting to have this bullish move, by the way. So I believe in our New York section, we should actually break above this our previous higher highs. Currently, we are at Asian section, the Tokyo section, or whatever we want to call it. So at least when the London section opens and we enter the New York section, then we should actually have broken our previous higher highs. I believe so. Now let's see it on our JPY index too. The reason why we will see a bullish move on our USDJPY. See it now on our 4-hour time frame. You can see it, we are actually on a downward trend. Impulse move, correction up, impulse move downward, correction up, impulse move again. Will very much likely have a correction. At least the correction should not be much, which is about 40, would I say 42 points or 42 pips on our JPY index. So once we have that, at least if we can have correction, which will give us a bullish move up, then it will be at least within 35 to 40 pips, then a drop again on our JPY index. So once we start having that drop on our JPY index, our USD JPY will actually go bullish. Exactly what we aim for. Now let's see it on our daily time frame. Let's see it on daily time frame. We can take it as our resistance level here. Our price came here, it fell, it came to this level and dropped, and again we saw it and it's dropping, and we will very much likely see it to drop to this our support level here. So our support level to around 82.427. So we still have a long way for our JPY index to drop, which means our USD JPY itself will give us that bullish move, since our JPY index would be dropping. Now we can see it on our USD index starting on our 4-hour time frame. I'll see it on our 4-hour time frame. You can see this impulse move, a correction here. You can see another impulse move breaking our previous higher highs, and we saw this correction, and we will see another impulse move again to break this our previous higher highs. Exactly what will be seen. But before that, we can see that our price came here to tap this level. It gave us a bullish move upward. It has come here to tap this level again, and we would want to see that bullish move to at least hit this key area here, where our price actually dropped from here, where our price pushes up and drop again. So we would very much likely see a bullish move on our USD index, so which is an indication again that our USD JPY would be going bullish for the day.